So today's video comes courtesy of Gearbeast. They sent over a beautiful bob wig, and I'm absolutely in love. You guys know I do like the blonde against my skin tone when I have dark roots, and it's tastefully done. I was kind of nervous when I chose this wig, but I'm so happy that I did. And this website is a little bit different because they sell more than just wigs. So sometimes when you find websites like this, you are a little bit nervous that the quality of the wig may not be on point because that's not necessarily their focus. But this is one of those companies that sell wigs that are always on point and they're ready to go. They sell synthetic wigs and they also sell human hair wigs. And this one I picked up is so fly. I'm gonna jump into the speed up, or I'm gonna speed up really quickly and show you guys like how I styled this wig. But literally, like, I have my whole kit here ready to go to war and just work on this wig to make it look good. And I literally put it on, like I cut the lace, put it on, and it was like, I don't need to do anything. I added a little bit of mousse to kind of separate the party. The party stopped like right here, but sometimes when you take your comb and you kind of go a little bit further, you can get like half an inch to an inch more parting, and that kind of helps it to make a little bit more realistic. So I did that. I did a little bit of mousse to kind of make sure that the flyaways, or that it wouldn't revert back the opposite way, and then like that was it. Now I will say that it does need some elastic. I will add some elastic a little bit later. Let me get a little bit closer on the hairline. Like when you look at the hairline, you just add a little bit of powder there. Like, that's all you need. I added a little bit of powder here, and you see how amazing that looks. And I didn't even do too much. The curls themselves, usually when I get a wig, and it came in a bag like this, there was no like flexi rods or special packaging. So usually when I get wigs like that and I go ahead and try to, I'm even able to go through with a rat tail comb, but usually when I get wigs like that and I go through them, like there needs to be some kind of extra bumps, like the bang area or something like that. But this one, you don't need anything. Like, it's literally ready to go. You can have it in your face and kind of slip it to the side. You can flip it back and feather it onto the front. You can do all sorts of stuff with it. If you wore this wig, you can kind of play with it and kind of do like your little twist or whatever like that. All you would need to do would be to pretty much just add your elastic so that it lays down. But you can do like a top knot bun. These wigs are heat iron safe, so you will be able to like straighten it out if you kind of want it to be like perfectly straight. You can do so many things with this wig. Even though it's a short bob, it is like literally perfection. Like, I couldn't have done it better or asked for a better wig myself. So I will be wearing this wig probably for the rest of the week because I really like it, and I'm always nervous to wear color like on an everyday basis, but this right here is just me. Like, I'm so feeling it. So let's jump into the quick little get ready with me, and then I'll be back with my thoughts on this hair. So before we jump into the little quick tutorial slash get ready with me, make sure that you subscribe for more videos like this. Hit that bell button so you never miss a video from me again. Share this video if you're into it. Also hit that like button. Now let's get into the video. So let's jump right in. One wig off and a new one on. I was a little bit nervous when I first put it on, but it actually does look good for the start. So the first thing is that you get these really good ear tabs that allow you to lay the hair down. You can cut off the excess if they're too long, but you will need to add an elastic band to make it you know, lay seamlessly and flawlessly in the front. This is what the hairline and the parting looks like up front. I do have the wig pulled way too close in the front right now, but I will fix that in a minute. But I did want to elongate the parting a little bit because there was a little bit more parting left, and I like to, you know, use every inch that I can get. So I love the way these wigs from this company lay. This wig is from Gearbeast. I have some mousse And I'm going to go ahead and apply some and just use a brush to kind of brush the hair in the direction that I want it to go. You guys know that mousse is a staple when it comes to putting wigs together for me. And it helps to lay the baby hair, lay the base or the crown of your hair down. And if you add some heat, right there, you will be able to make it look even more finished. But to me, it didn't need it today. Excuse my sideburns. I like to sometimes put a little bit of baby hair, or sideburns from the wig right there, kind of camouflage what I got going right there, because I'll need to shave it. And I do shave my sideburns a lot of times to make my wigs look a little bit more natural, because if you have, your little sideburns and then you have fake sideburns, or, it just doesn't match. So now I'm just playing with the hair. There really was nothing that I needed to do with this wig except for add that elastic band. I love the way the hairline looks, and if it were to lay flat with that elastic band, it would be so popping. You can go ahead and tweeze it if you'd like. You can also go ahead and bleach the knots. I chose not to bleach the knots because I thought that the hairstyle was beautiful, and I didn't want to have to wash it, blow dry it, press it, and restyle it, because I loved the style. So I just took a little bit of powder and put it in the party, and that did the job. You can also take the powder along your hairline, going across, and that'll help out a lot to conceal the knots. But yeah, these wigs are so poppin'. All the wigs that I've gotten from this company have been amazeballs, especially the lace wigs. And that was pretty much it. I switched my shirt because I thought this one would complement it a lot more, and it did. So here's a back shot of what the wig looks like from the back. And like I said, I literally just added powder to the parting. I have done nothing else, and it's already ready to go. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick little get ready with me. I absolutely love this wig. I love how the parting is, how the curls are, the color, everything is perfection, and it goes great with my brown skin. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Gearbeast. I have all the information and details on this wig in the description bar. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.